Is WordPress even still relevant in 2026 with AI, you ask? Oh, hell yeah, it is, especially if you pair up WordPress with hosting AI, which makes hosting and creating a WordPress website so much easier. Let me show you how it's done with this hosting a WordPress tutorial. All right, first head over to the hosting a website. You can do that by clicking the link in the description. Then you'll have to log in, or if you don't have an account, you'll need to pick a plan and register. By the way, this link will also give you the latest and biggest discounts for hosting a WordPress plans. Alternatively, you can scan this QR code for the same hosting a coupon code. For the hosting a tutorial, I chose the business plan because it has the optimal amount of features and resources. It has all the AI and the e-commerce tools that I want, but the price is still very close to the premium plan. I also picked the 48-month subscription because it gives the best value long term. After picking the plan, I'm prompted to create an account. So yeah, just do it. It's nothing out of the ordinary. Just make sure your password's strong. Next, log in and click on the websites in the dashboard and then hit add website. I chose WordPress as that's what we're going for this time. Then I just follow the setup steps. First, creating my WordPress account. Yes, that's a different login from your hosting account. This one is for WordPress. You can have multiple websites with one account on Hostinger. Next, I can connect my existing domain or take advantage of Hostinger's free domain for a year. You can also connect a domain later and use a temporary one for now. Then I let Hostinger install WordPress automatically. The installation takes like a couple of minutes. Plus, I can play a game during the installation. I mean, thanks Hostinger, that's so nice of you. And don't worry, if you don't like the game, you can always play with your cat instead. Okay, it's installed, so what next? Well, Hostinger asks you for a prompt so that the AI can build the website for me. Yes, everything has AI now, so a WordPress AI website builder should be no surprise. That said, I can still start by selecting a theme. It's just a bit more hidden now. Click on Go to WordPress Admin at the bottom, then on Appearance, and then Themes. Here, I only see a few installed selections. We want more than that. So, I'm going to click on Add Theme to reveal all of the available ones. Considering there is literally like 15,000 of them, I am fairly confident you're going to find something you like. Make sure you read reviews though, as there are plenty of outdated and not so great options, as anyone can make a theme. Selecting a theme creates an entire starter website with demo pages and everything. So instead of starting at the good old hello world on a blank WordPress page, I instantly get something that already looks like a real website. By the way, if you're a beginner and don't know how to code, I suggest picking one of the block themes because they offer a visual drag and drop editing experience for the entire website. That said, using the AI website builder is going to be even easier and also much faster. So let's go back to the dashboard and click AI website builder at the top. It'll ask you to describe your website. All right, let's say I want a website for a tech startup that helps build PCs for different needs and budgets. So I just type that in. If it seems dry, you can enhance the prompt with AI and then edit according to your needs. After that, I have to enter the brand name and select the language and editor. I suggest going with Elementor unless you know what you're doing. Gutenberg will demand much more from you. Then Hostinger's AI assistant Cody helps me set everything up, including choosing colors, picking fonts, and the required sections. Once the AI finishes building the website, I get two choices. I have to go into the Hostinger WordPress admin dashboard or open Elementor. The WordPress admin is basically mission control for the whole website. That is where all of the settings, plugins, pages, blog posts, security tools, and backend stuff is located. If something WordPress related exists, it is managed there. But chances are you'll spend the majority of your time inside Elementor because that's the visual editor. At the top of the WordPress dashboard, there's an edit website button. Clicking it opens the Elementor editor. Here, my website becomes fully drag and drop. It might be your first time with Elementor, but hey, that's why I'm here. Let me show you around real quick. So Elementor WordPress tutorial. Elementor might look a bit scary for beginners, but trust me, it is very simple. On the left side, there's the controls panel filled with blocks and widgets like headings, text sections, and buttons. I literally drag elements onto the page and edit them visually. Then on the right side, we see your website updating in real time while we work. So if I change text, move sections around, swap photos, or edit colors, you immediately see the results without having to refresh anything. Most pages are built in sections or containers, which are basically stacking blocks. I click directly on any part of the page to edit it. There's not that much of a learning curve here, honestly. You click on something and you see what the edit options are. One thing you absolutely want to check before publishing is the responsive preview mode. There's an option to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. A website can look perfect on the computer and then suddenly look like this on a phone. And we don't want that now, do we? No. Switching between the previews lets me quickly adjust spacing, text sizes, and layout so everything looks clear on any screen size. All right, that's kind of the gist of it. Once everything looks good enough, just hit publish. Your website is no longer just an idea, it is now real. Just like global warming. Okay, so we have our website and it looks pretty nice, but there's more to it. WordPress is all about plugins for adding functionality to your website. It's really tempting to install everything that looks cool, but every plugin is basically another moving part, and too many of them can slow things down or straight up break your site. Also worth being a little picky here, because not every plugin out there is trustworthy, and the internet has definitely seen its fair share of sketchy ones with hidden malware or exploits baked in. So think of plugins like apps on your phone. You don't need 50 antivirus apps to feel secure. I have some personal recommendations that will take your website to the next level. Yoast SEO is basically the beginner-friendly search engine optimization coach. It uses that simple traffic light system where green means you're doing great, yellow means maybe you should fix this, and red is like, yeah, stop ignoring it. Just go to every page, scroll down, and check the colors. It helps you improve readability and SEO without needing to know what most of the SEO jargon even means. My next must-have is Lightspeed Cache. It simply makes your site load faster. If your WordPress hosting runs on a Lightspeed server, and Hostinger does, this plugin is basically the free cheat code alternative to paid performance tools. Next, I've got Updraft Plus, aka the insurance from emotional damage. It handles automatic backups and lets you send them straight to places like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Amazon S3. If something breaks, gets hacked, or you accidentally delete your entire homepage, this is what's going to save you. And then there is WP Forms, which is still the best contact form builder. It uses a drag and drop system, so you don't have to code just to let people send you messages. The free version is usually enough for simple contact forms, which is perfect if you're just trying to look professional without overcomplicating things. Well, that covers my top recommended plugins. With time, you might want more than these 4, but it is a solid start. So that would be all in this hosting a WordPress tutorial. Honestly, building a website with WordPress is no longer just for advanced users. It is time to give it a try for yourself if you haven't started yet. Just make sure that you don't pay the full price for Hostinger, scan this QR code, or click the link in the description. Cheers, I'll see you around.